Hi, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a review of Imperfect Food grocery box. Weeks ago, I saw an advertisement about Imperfect Food. Their main purpose is to avoid food wasting because most of the food we see in grocery look perfect. They are all same size, perfect color, but not all the vegetables look like that. Those imperfect ones will go uneaten and most likely go to the garbage, I guess. We just trying to protect the environment better and try to save some money as well. So I ordered one just to have a try. This is our first box. We will see what's inside of it. Their payment method is subscription. You pay it weekly. You can cancel it anytime though. This is the first box. I ordered it for 2-person and I choose from regular, organic, mixed, or vegan. I eat pretty much everything, so I choose regular. So this is a medium-sized box. I only have vegetables and fruit in it. There are other options like dairy, meat, snacks. You can choose to add to it. It just need extra money. I ordered it last week, and then you will, according to your zip code, you will have a delivery date signed to you. Like this one is delivered on Thursday. However, there is a little story behind this delivery because I was expecting it all Thursday. I didn't get it. At the late night, I received an email saying, oh, unfortunately, we have to reschedule on Friday. Then I got it on Friday noontime, so it's okay. If you're asking, I want it on Monday, can I get it on Monday? Then I have to say I tried, but it really depends on your zip code. I didn't see any way to change it. When you go to the imperfectfood.com, you will have to sign up with the account. They will ask you basic questions like how many people is eating from the box, what type of vegetable you want, like regular, organic, mixed, vegan, like that. Also, you can choose you just want vegetable box or plus snack plus dairy plus meat. You can choose from there. After you answer those questions and set up the account, you will have a delivery date assigned based on your zip code. This one, it was supposed to deliver on Thursday, so my shopping window is on Monday afternoon to Tuesday noontime. Only in those windows I can see what they generate in the box, and I can make changes if some of the ingredients I really don't like or I don't know how to use it. So you have to use that time to look through the list, to delete the things you don't like, add stuff that you wanted to. Here is the box. So this box is pretty heavy duty and it's not a cheap cardboard. And from this, you can see immediately they're saying 40% of the food go to uneaten, how many money we waste. So this is pretty straightforward. I want to help avoid waste, especially food. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, here it is. I will go through the items one by one, but this is how it looked like. I didn't see any cold packs in it, but when I feel those vegetables, it's cold. So if you better be home when you receive it, otherwise it will get warm. Okay, let's see what's inside. The biggest thing here is the lettuce. It's a little bit broken. It still feel cold, but it's just not as good as good looking as the one in grocery, but doesn't smell bad, and I think it's still edible for the next couple days. And here are some broken leaves. This is petite red potatoes. I thought I ordered the big ones, but you know, small one is okay. That's one bag, about 20 of them. Oh, I ordered 2 bags actually. There's another one, same thing. 2 onions. Here this one look a little bit smaller than the grocery store ones. This look okay. I have no problem eating those. They look perfect for me. Carrots. Those are big carrots that I like. Those small and really thin, long one, I don't like cook with them because it takes too much time to peel it off and stuff like that. I like this. This is a little bit broken, but it's not going bad, so it's okay. Four cucumbers. Cucumber is one of my favorite vegetables in the world. They are low calorie and help me lose weight, so I ordered 4 of them. These 4 is not that straight, I have to say, but it doesn't have any bad part on it. It looked pretty good for me. 2 avocados. This one have a little bit mark here, but I don't think it affect what's inside. It's hard, so I'm gonna wait for a couple of days. This one is smaller and seems like have a little bit bad spot here. Here I can see a little muddy part here. I hope it's still edible. 2 garlic. They look good. And last thing, lemons. This one look like a lemon, but this one look actually like an orange. It's a fat one. I can see why grocery store don't take them, but as long as they taste good, I'm good with that. That's it. I paid $12 for all these vegetables plus $5 delivery fee. I mean, I still don't like the delivery fee part. So $12 for all these vegetables. I have to say I didn't see huge discount on those vegetables. I think I can get pretty similar price from the grocery store. We need to go to the grocery store to see the regular price to make the comparison. So I mean, this is just the first box. I think I will order another box maybe next week or the week after it to give it a second chance. So far, I just feel it's okay. It's not super cheap, and the delivery have a little bit problem. Alright, thank you for watching Big Fan Secret Kitchen review of Imperfect Food. See you next time.